You think you know me. You think you know me.
What should we do before we go to the prairie? Go to the bathroom!
Gwen, this is God. Before you go to the bathroom, the first thing that you and Jillian need to do is check out the weather.
The weather! God is so smart!
I
Thanks, God.
know I am.
We love you, God!
Thank you. Now go to the prairie.
We have to check the weather with our experienced weather person, Jillian Prairie Dog.
Go.
Today we'll be looking at the weather for the prairies, also known as the grasslands, which are located right in this area. Today's weather will be dry, as always, since the prairies only receive 10 to 30 inches of rainfall per
year, consisting of hot summers and cold winters.
On. Back up.
I will soon stop. Oh my gosh, look, Gwen! It's a
Prairie dog. Did you know that prairie dogs look like plump squirrel-sized animals that scamper among the mounds? You're standing on the edge of their town now. Most of the town is underground. Prairie dogs live in burrows, several feet beneath the surface. Sit quietly and watch them pop in and out of their burrows.
While prairie dogs are above ground, some munch on grasses while others gather seeds. Some dig kicking dirt high into the air as they repair old burrows or make new ones.
Oh, look.
Oh, Jillian! Oh my gosh, how cool! Woo!
Bison. Did you know that the males or bulls are the largest and heaviest land animals in North America? All they eat is grass. They can stand bitter cold, summer heat.
On. Back up.
I will soon stop. Oh my gosh, look, Gwen! It's a
Pronghorn. Off in the distance you spot a small herd of pronghorns. There are several young pronghorns in the herd, staying close by their mothers. A pronghorn raises its head and sniffs the air. The whole herd is suddenly alert. A coyote leaps from the clump of sticks. Instantly the pronghorn
Are often running like the wind. Pronghorns are the fastest animals on the prairie and in North America.
look!
At the different colors of prairie grass, did you know that when the first autumn frost nips the air, the prairie changes from green to gold, much like leaves do? Then it fades to brown. The grass blades turn dry as paper and die.
Let's take a look at the structure of a grass plant. First you have the flower head at the very top. Then you go to the stem. Next you have the blade of the plant. Then you have a start of a plant called the shoot. Then rhizomes. You can
Look! Wow, that's so cool! It's
A lion chasing after a herd of zebra, wild beasts in springbok, and a kill attempt. Grazing animals rely on speed to escape their predators. The single hoof of the wild horses, such as zebras, offers the most protection against the harsh surface of the grassland.
Back up.
Oh my gosh, look, Gwen!
It's an eagle. Did you know that eagles are the most common bird of prey in grasslands?
Did you know that there are many different types of grasses, such as the switchgrass, the blue gamma, the buffalo grass, the big blue stem, and the little blue stem?
There are also many different types of scattered trees in grasslands, such as this flat-top acacia tree, which are found throughout the African grasslands.
Oh, look.
Look, Julian! Oh my gosh, how cool! Woo!
Antelope. Did you know that antelopes such as the Russian Sagaia are well adapted to life in grasslands? What happens when people overuse grasslands? As you can see in this picture, it turns into a desert. When people overuse grasslands, they often turn into a desert. In the early 1900s, many Americans settled into grasslands of Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, and Colorado. They planted wheat, and after they had cut it, it turned into a grassland, into a desert.
As you can see, when grassland/prairies dry out, grassland/prairie fires occur. These fires are not a bad thing, they are a good thing. These fires result in new growth of grass and rejuvenation of the soil. That is why sometimes purposely set fires are made. Even though farming is an important task for prairie, the use of large machinery can greatly harm the prairie landscape.
Now let's take a look at the grassland food chain. First you start with grass and sunlight. Then the grasses are eaten by herbivores. Carnivores eat prey. And then scavengers such as hyenas feed on the carcasses of the prey. That is the grassland food chain.
Hello, girls. This is God again.
Hello, God!
What did you learn on the prairies?
Well, I learned that 1/4 of the world is grasslands and prairies.
I learned that the prairie and grasslands are a mix of forest and desert. It's the little in-between thing.
I learned that grasses change colors just like leaves.
I learned that prairies are on two sides of the desert mountains. Prairies are they don't have many streams. That's all we learned.
Girls, that can't be all you learned. Tell me what else you learned on your day at the prairie.
Well, Julian, one of the many problems in the prairie is that they have lots of girls, and they don't have many trees either.
Wow, I'd say that's very unique. Some of man's actions on the prairie is that they killed many buffalo, almost to the point of extinction.
That's sad.
Yes, and they farmed it, where there's very few wild prairie. Farming isn't a bad thing with the very rich farming soil the prairie has, but too many people doing it is very good.
When you are with me, I'm free. I'm careless